Blissful morning, beautiful people. Blissful morning. So today is a beautiful day. So listen, amazing things are happening. When I left Grenada a couple months ago, and I was coming here to America, the Spirit said, Spirit said, take 5 brown girls and gift them an entrepreneurial skill. Maybe the art of wire wrapping, the art of earring making, the art of placing healing crystals. It said take 5 brown girls. And I'm being very obedient. Yesterday, we were able to book a space at the state of the art. We have a state of the art library right here in Newcastle. So I booked my space. Details will be coming soon. If you have a brown girl between the ages of 11 and 17, then you might want to push their names, mention their names in the inbox in this area, of course. If you have any questions, details will follow. We're on our way to Rodney Square. This is the last Rodney Square this month. And we're having a major sale today. So today should be an interesting day. Let's go hang out.
I understand the mother hasn't, she hasn't been right ever since then. I don't even think she's working now. Because I found out later, because I live in Newcastle now. And I think they lived at the other end of the street from where I live at. You would have thought it was my child. I cried. I couldn't work that day. It was horrible. She kept saying, why are you doing this? And I lost my youngest one too, but not because of that. So funny, I would have stole them. Their moms and their, if I cried,
And let's see. Take one off, sis. And let's hold it up to your ear and let's see what's happening.
yeah, a lot of them. Yeah, I used to have a grocery store out there off of 13. I used to go out there and buy food. I get it all.
Want me to help you? Okay, you got it. Now hold them both up to your ear and I'll do the mirror.
She said what? I said, look at
Oh, am I high enough? Can you see?
And I know.
Wait a minute. Put that other one back up.
I had tuna fish.
Okay, now let me see the other one. Oh, sister, I promise you, they both look nice. I can't help you. The first one was really
They
popping,
make a,
but the second one looks just as elegant.
I like polka
it's
dots.
so good.
Okay, polka dots it is then. Polka dots it is. So, greetings, beautiful people. Listen, I will be, before I go back to the island of Grenada, before I left Grenada, Spirit said, gift 5 brown girls, gift them, G-I-F-T. So I have a couple weeks left here in America. Before I leave, I am going to be obedient to that. So I will be gifting 5 brown girls before I leave. The space has been booked at the library on Route 9, the innovative, beautiful library on Route 9. August 11th, Monday, just 2 weeks before school starts. Perfect. I will be gifting 2 entrepreneurial skills. I will provide all materials. It will cost the girls nothing. Between the ages of 11 and 17. If you have any girls between 11 and 17 and would love for them to benefit from this, which is a great gift. This is a gift that can literally take them around the world and sustain them. I am living proof. It will be the art of wire wrapping and probably the art of earring making. Earring making and wire wrapping. I'll provide all materials. All they have to do is bring themselves with their parents, dropping them off and with their parents' permission. So if you have any girls, it's only 5. I can only take 5. It's first come, first serve. If you have any girls between 11 and 17 and would love for them to receive 2 entrepreneurial gifts, entrepreneurial skills gifts from me, the one and only, please comment in the chat, leave your name, reach out. August 11th is just around the corner, and I would be honored. Yes. And whatever they create and design, they will be walking with it. So they'll have it. They'll actually have something that they've created that they can wear, that they can look at and say, this is my work. I've done it. And they can practice, and who knows, maybe they'll be their own entrepreneurs one day. That's the goal. So please reach out if you have any brown girls between 11 and 17 right here in the Newcastle County area, because we'll be meeting on Route 9 or any of the surrounding areas, because you'll be the one getting them there, parents. So children, young people, reach out to your parents. Parents, if you have young youth, 5 brown girls. First come, first serve. Thank you. So, of course, people, this is called the layback after Rodney Square Wednesday. They always go well every Wednesday. You know, it's becoming history. It's becoming legacy. You know, I thought just coming to Rodney Square every Wednesday from the islands for 90 days, it's definitely worth a plane ticket. So it works out in my favor. But I thought that was just something that I get to do. But it's not. It's becoming so much bigger. It's becoming a spiritual meetup. I mean, everybody's feeling so empowered when they leave. And I get to make offerings, and just a way to give back. It's called service work, y'all. So, yes, Rodney Square was wonderful today. Sisters took advantage of the buy 2 pair earrings, get 1 free. Look, I lost one of my earrings. Yeah, so it was just beautiful to have sisters come out, take advantage. A couple brothers came by, bought copper bracelets for themselves, and I love when the brothers come out. Oh, a couple brothers came out and bought more healing crystals than ever. Yes, and was inquiring about the energies they carry and all that stuff. That excites me. I'm telling you. I sure hope the next king man I'm blessed with can receive the energy of crystals. You know, enough where he would put them on, or I can put one on him, and just all that, you know. But yeah, Rodney Square was beautiful. And the sale was beautiful. I'm always excited when I can offer up a sale. And it's just some were repeat customers. You know, some were new customers. Every week is something new. It's something beautiful. So I'm just laying back, relaxing now. And a date was actually set. The library called me back. State-of-the-art library. If you live in this area, in this Small Wonder area, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't live in this area, Google it, especially if you plan on having your child take part in the hand art workshop that I will be gifting them with before I go back to the island. Because before I left Grenada, Spirit said, as I said in the beginning of the video, it said gift 5 brown girls. Now, of course, the same thing is going to happen when I go back to the island of Grenada, because I know there's no way I can gift 5 brown girls here and not there. It's just that it came to me. Timing is essential. So it came to me as I was leaving there, and it made sense because the business was birthed right here in America. Of course, we've lived on the island of Grenada for the last 10 years, and we serve America in the Caribbean. We do, and we're so honored. I'm so honored. So please don't feel no way, my lovely Grenadans. Natural is coming back. And 5 brown, y'all, matter of fact, y'all have 5 brown girls ready for me. I'm going to charge you, my fellow Grenadians. Please have 5 brown girls, and I'm going to see if I can do do a radio interview with Aruna. 5 brown girls. Have them ready for me so I can gift them a hand art workshop. It's going to be the art of wire wrapping and the art of earring making. So that way I'm gonna provide all the materials. It's free. I feel good doing this one. It's free. I'll provide all the materials. All they got to do is show up. So we're going to focus right now on the 5 here in America. And when I come back, I'm asking my lovely Grenadans to have 5 between the ages of 11 and 17. 11 and 17. And I can only do 5 at a time until something else tells me to do something else. But I'm honored. I am offering entrepreneurial skills that can take you around the world and sustain you. I'm living proof. I'm living proof. Absolutely. And whatever they create, here's the beautiful thing about it. Whatever they create, they will be walking with. That means they will have something, a bracelet they can put on their arms, or they're going to definitely have an earring, the art of earring making, and a wire wrapping that we made of wire. But I'm going to have them do two things. I'll do one, it's a hands-on workshop. So I'll work along with the one, is the way I do my workshops. And then they'll be on their own. I'll be there for all the questions and the concerns, but they'll be on their own. 11 to 17, we're going to give them something, because the bottom line is, people, everybody will not make it to university. However, even if they do, they'll have a skill that can help them sustain themselves while they're in university. Because if you ever been to any university, any college, it's bad enough mom and our parents are paying, or you probably get the financial aid in the case here, but you're going to need a way to sustain yourself. So it'll be a beautiful thing if they could create a small business. Young people have businesses all the time. Entrepreneurship is something we should be instilling in our youth from young age. And so I'm honored to be giving 5 brown girls entrepreneurial skills that can sustain them and take them around the world. Once again, I'm living proof. So listen, people, in this Small Wonder area, I hope you watch this to the end. Small Wonder area. Put the name in the chat, or just say, I have a child, I'm interested. If you need a phone call, they're going to need their parents' permission. We're not playing about it. The parents going to have to be the one to drop them off at the library. Here it's going to be from 11 to 1, and it's 2 weeks before school start. So this is beautiful. The date is August 11th, 11 to 1. State-of-the-art library. Beautiful meeting space. So I so look forward. And Grenada, you're next. Love and respect, beautiful people.